Good morning, everybody. It is another episode of SCOTDs. That's Sign Carvers of the Day. And we're trying to do these a little more frequently since we've got a big backlog. Today's pictures are going to be from May 3rd through May 16th, 2024. So if you're brand new to the channel, this is where we feature your products or your signs that you've made. This is really a great set. So before we get into that, one thing I want to mention is we do have a meetup coming up here at our place in Golden Valley, Arizona in October 11, 12, 13, something like that. If you guys are interested in coming to that, please write me an email, let me know, eric@makeawoodsign.com. And then Vicky will send you an email with all the details. There's no charge. There's going to be great food. It's going to be a great time, kind of a hangout all weekend long, and you guys can help us celebrate Ryan's 40th birthday. So it's going to be a great time had by all for sure. Let's get into Sign Carvers of the Day. Here we go. First we have Brian Rhoten, and this is his very first sign. Looks like he did it on multiple pieces of pine that were glued together. And actually did a really nice job on this, Brian. You did some burning on the pine itself. Looks really good. I hope you're having fun with it. Keep it up, and they'll just keep getting better from here. Great job, Brian. Next, we have Tammy Gonzalez Eastman. Tammy's been following us for years. Just a great sign carver. This one is 2 foot by 4 foot. Made this for her brother, and I think it's really a cool idea. I love everything about it. I love the color. I love the frame. Tammy, you killed it, man. It's just awesome. You did a great job. Keep it up. Next, we have Brad Dowdland. I'm probably saying that wrong, Brad. I apologize. This one is great. It is live edge. It looks like it might be cedar. I don't know. The picture is a little bit fuzzy, so it looks like it might be cedar, but terrific looking job. And oh no, actually it's cherry. It's not cedar, it's cherry. So this one's a great one and probably a big seller if you were selling these, especially on site, craft fairs or flea markets, that kind of thing, even online. Great job, Brad. Next we have Alex Brunages. This one is really cool. Used a repurposed piece of old oak. It was a worktop, and he turned that into a sign and used the profile bit and the 90 degree, and I just think it looks terrific. I love the framing. Really looks cool. This is a great looking board too, and the artwork is really cool. Great job, Alex. Next we have Eliza Cruz. This one is really neat. I love it. I love everything about it. I love the fact that he took a piece of furniture that he makes and actually customized it with the Hulk on there, and I love the edging along everything. It really matches well with the Hulk, and I love the green on there. Terrific job, Eliza. You could probably sell a lot of these. Next we have Jeff Pedersen, and this is his grandson Maverick, or they call him Mav. He's 12 years old. Jeff did the layout and Mav did all the carving on this. So congratulations to both Jeff and Mav. You guys both did a terrific job on here. Jeff, obviously, you're not only a good sign carver, but you're a great teacher. So terrific job. Mav, I hope you keep it up. 12 years old is a great time to start carving signs. Don't ask me how I know that. Next, we have James Foster. And here's another great example of one that I think would sell real well. I love the layout on this. Probably found this design somewhere online, but it looks terrific. My barn, my rules. I love it. Probably going to be a big seller for you if you get it in front of people. Great job, James. Next, we have Eric Carlin. Very first sign, and he made this for his wife for Mother's Day and their 3 kids. I love it. It really looks nice. Looks like it's on a piece of pine with some stain. And for your first sign, you killed it, Eric. Great job, man. I hope you're having fun. Keep it up. Next, we have Mark Bateau. I made this for his hockey team sponsor. This is a Tiger Cat Feller Buncher. And man, there is a lot of background there. That is probably time consuming, how long that took you to carve. And you did a great job on it. I'm sure that your sponsor absolutely loves it. Terrific job, Mark. This one's really cool from Richard Hotchkiss. And I don't know how many signs are here, but there is a bunch. So this is the signs for the Great Lakes Medieval Fair and Marketplace in Rock Creek, Ohio. On the 2-inch Western letters, he used the 60-degree bit, and on the artwork, he used a profile and the carving liner. This is, that is a bunch of signs, Richard. A great job, buddy. They all look terrific. The artwork all looks good, and I'm sure everybody absolutely loves them. I'm sure that will bring you a lot of business, man. Great job. Next, we have David Mahoy. So David made this for his son, who has a YouTube channel. He loves dogs, coffee, and he's a Christian. That's why David integrated all those pieces in on this table. Terrific job. I absolutely love it. I love the color, the design, and it came out great. I'm sure your son loves it and probably features it on his YouTube channel. Great job, David. Here's another potential big seller. This one is super clean looking. Looks like it's redwood to me, but it might be cedar, but it might be a piece of pine that's got some stain on it. But this is, it looks like it's our Bookman style letters, and the artwork on there is terrific. Again, I think this could be a big seller, especially for people that have man caves or woman caves and they like to drink and smoke in their cave. Great job, Glenn. It looks terrific. Next, we have Robert Black, and there's 4 different signs here. The wolf is maple, the bear is red oak, and the deer and the turkey are eastern red cedar. These all look terrific. I think they all, again, could be big sellers. These are not necessarily customized, so they could, you know, something like this could sell real well at flea markets and craft shows and even on online. So terrific job, Robert. I love it, and I love the difference in the types of woods. Just looks terrific. The maple looks like it's got some spalting in there, which looks really, really cool. Great job, Robert. Keep it up, buddy. Next, we have Timothy Saxton. So he made this for his grandnephew, who was obviously graduating. I'm sure Peyton absolutely loves it. I'm sure everybody that sees it loves it. Great job in the design and the artwork and the color. Just terrific job. Looks like it's done on a piece of pine. Doesn't look like it was that easy to carve. It looks kind of grainy. So for that, basically, you did a great job, Timothy. And looked like you used mostly our fatty font, which is a great idea for signs like this. This type of sign just works really well with the fatty font. Terrific job, Timothy. Excellent. Next, we have Melinda Allen. This is Melinda's second sign ever, and I think that it just turned out great. I'm not sure what kind of material Melinda didn't tell us, but looks like it's for a commercial hair place, and I'm sure it will bring you a lot of attention and probably some business. I love the color. That blue looks really good on that light colored background. Great job, Melinda. This is Melinda's second sign ever, and you killed it. Terrific job. This one is super special. Joseph Ortiz has sent in many pictures where he does portraits. This is his specialty. So he's found his niche, and this is a portrait of his wife, Mary, on cherry wood. Took about 10 hours, and it looks absolutely amazing. You definitely have a talent for this, Joseph. I absolutely love it. Keep doing what you're doing, man, and get them out in front of people. I'm sure you're going to sell them. It looks just stunning. Absolutely beautiful. Great job. Next, we have Steve Streckengost, and he made this for a customer. I think the blue and the black on the walnut colored framed sign, a lot of background there. I think it looks really terrific. I love the blue. That really looks good on there. I don't know what kind of paint he used, but Steve, terrific job as always. Steve's been following us for a long time and makes great looking signs. Another perfect one, Steve. Next, we have Garrett Smith. This one is really cool, and again, this is to a niche audience. I think could do really, really well. Garrett, I love the layout and the fact that you arched that bottom line. I think really adds to to the look of the sign rather than being just straight on the bottom. Looks terrific. Great job, Garrett. Next we have Steve Carey. This one is terrific. Great wedding present sign, and I love the layout. I love the fact that you went vertical on this. There's a lot of planning that goes in when you do something vertical like that to figure out how you're going to fit that on a board that's only 12 inches wide. This is 32 inches long or tall, and is on a piece of 1x12 pine, it looks like. Terrific job, Steve. I'm sure they absolutely are gonna adore it. Last but not least, we have Gary Zellner. Gary's been with us for, gosh, I don't know how long, but a decade probably at least. This is a Mother's Day gift for a customer. It is 2x12, 4 foot tall pine, and the hands was a design that the customer actually had. He used the carving liner and did the faux live edge on the sides. I think it looks fantastic. The top and bottom letters are actually scrolled and applied to the board, and then the pictures were done with a profile and then a Dremel relief. Terrific job, Gary. Absolutely beautiful. I'm sure your customer just loves it. All right, there you go, guys. 20 more sign carvers of the day. So we will probably do another one within a couple weeks. If you guys have projects that you have done, freehand carved signs, email them to me, eric@makeawwoodsign.com. We'll put them in the mix and we will get to them. We're trying to get caught up, so we're only a few months behind now. But anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, we'd love for you to subscribe. And if you need any supplies, we have a website. That's how we support our whole business here, is selling supplies. So if you guys need any sign carving supplies, we'd appreciate it. Go over to makeawwoodsign.com, check out our overstock deals. We've always got stuff on there at great prices, and the rest of the stuff are really fair prices, and we sure appreciate it if you guys go over there and check it out and buy something. Anyway, if you have any questions, email me, eric@makeawwoodsign.com. We love you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.